Sometimes I think I'm not that strong, but there's a force that carries me on. Sick of my small heart made of steel, sick of the wounds that never heal.
I love biology, I love psychology, and that's definitely something that's inspired my songwriting. I've applied a lot of planetary themes and also digital themes to the way that I've presented the album.
The New York Hall of Science was originally built in 1964 for the World's Fair. It was all about space exploration, and the idea of the Great Hall, you'd step into it, it would feel like you were standing in outer space. The Hall of Science was always intended to remain after the fair and become the city's permanent hands-on science museum. The space where the concert is tonight is where we house an exhibition called Connected Worlds. It's a completely immersive environment. You are surrounded by animated creatures and wildlife, and your actions and movements determine what happens. The exhibit unfolds in real time. It's a collective experience.
The venue itself is stunning, it's epic, definitely the best venue I've ever performed in. It just feels very surreal and hyper-modern, which is perfect for fruit. It will go really well with the electrical feel of the tiling. It'll be good.
One life with one dream on repeat. All escape if I try hard enough. Till king of the jungle goes my love. Awful tough lately, smoking a lot of cigarettes lately, but inside it's okay to say you got a weak spot. You don't always have to be on top. Better to be hated than love for what you're not. You're vulnerable, you're vulnerable. You are not a robot. You're lovable, so lovable. But you're just trouble. Guess what? I'm not a robot. Guess what? I'm not a robot. A robot. You've been hanging with the unloved kids who you never really liked and you never trusted, but you are so magnetic. You pick up all the bits, never committed to anything. You don't pick up the phone when it rings. Just open up and sing. I am not a robot. You're lovable, so lovable, but you just trouble. Guess what? I'm not a robot. Guess what? I'm not a robot. A robot. Can you teach me how to feel real? Can you turn my power on and let the drum beat drop? Guess what? Sing it with me. Guess what? I am not a robot. Guess what? I'm not a robot. Guess what? I'm not a Guess what? I'm not a robot. Guess what? I'm not a robot.
A lot of people think that I'm a band because I chose to name my project Marina and the Diamonds. However, I'm a solo artist. My name is Marina Diamandis, and the reason that I created that name was because it made me feel like I was creating something that had a community aspect to it. I always felt like music was something that was really unifying and that allowed you to find other people to connect with, or who had similarities to you. So I just didn't feel like I wanted to be a solo artist. I wanted it to have a group feel to it.
Sunday, wake up, give me a cigarette. Last night's love affair is looking vulnerable in my bed. Silk sheets, blue dawn, Colgate, tongue warm. Won't you quit your crying? I can't sleep. 1 minute I'm a little sweetheart, and next minute you are an absolute creep. We've got obsessions. I want to wipe out all the sad ideas that come to me when I am holding you. ever think about. The sick ideas involving me, involving you. Supermarket, oh, what packet of crackers to pick? They're all the same, one brand, one name, but really they're not. Look, just choose something quick. People are staring, time take a quick, and skin is on fire. Just choose something, something, something. Pressure overwhelming. Next minute, I am turning out of the door, facing 1 week without food, a day when things were pretty bad. But don't let it make you feel sad. The crackers were probably bad luck anyway. Can't let your cold heart be free when you act like you've got an OCD. We've got obsessions. I want to erase every nasty thought that bugs me every day of every week. We've got obsessions. You never told me what it was that made you strong, what it was. We've got obsessions. I wanna erase every nasty thought that bugs me every day of every week. We've got obsessions. You never told me what it was that made you strong, what it was that made you weak. Made you weak, 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 made you someday wake up. Give me a cigarette. Last night's love affair is looking vulnerable again.
Thank you.
Is the American dream. American is the American dream. She is a Polish girl in America, tall, tan, hot, blonde, poor eye. I asked her, why would you wanna be a Hollywood wife? Because I don't wanna end up living in a doggone farm. You'd do anything, what a dime. You're looking for the golden light. Hollywood and fake to your friend, you wanna kiss it in the rain. Oh, living in a movie scene, drinking American drinks. Oh, I'm obsessed with the mess that's America.
comment quite regularly on my fashion or all my clothing, but for me, I'm not really interested in fashion or being fashionable. It's more that when I create an album, I really want it to be presented at the most aesthetically interesting way. I'm inspired by visuals when I'm actually writing. The writing always comes from personal experience and things that are going on in my life at the time. And then afterwards, when the songs are fully produced, that's when I start to think about the fun stuff, which is designing a show and what I'm going to wear. For this tour, it's definitely been a total joy. I've worked with 3 independent designers who are just out of college, and they've been designing this kind of thing for me.
Hey, only living Thank you very much. Now there's a character about to come out on the stage, which a lot of you will be like, you will either A, laugh at, or be like, who the is she? Ready for her? Oh, this is Marilyn. You think, who is Marilyn? Marilyn was Electra Hart's best friend. If you're at home right now watching, and you're also thinking, who is that? Electra Hart was a character on my second album. And I suppose Marilyn was her sidekick. She was very, very mean to her. And spread nasty rumors that she was addicted to crack. Which is just not true. Anyway, Marilyn was a very lively character, and this next song is very much her own. If you know the words, please sing along. Prima donna girl, yeah. All I ever wanted was the one. I can't help that I need it all. The prima donna life, the rise and fall. You say that I'm kind of difficult, but it's always someone else's fault. Got you wrapped around my finger, babe. You come down on me to misbehave. Prima donna girl, would you do anything for me? Buy a big diamond ring for me? Would you get down on your knees for me? Pop that pretty question right now, baby. Beauty queen on a silver screen. I'm living life like I'm in a dream. Yeah, I know I've got a big ego. I really don't know why it's such a big deal, though. And I'm so to the core, core, core. Every day is a joy, joy, joy. When you give more, more, more. 'Cause I'm a prima donna girl, yeah. All I ever wanted was the one. I can't help that I need it all. The prima donna life, the rise and fall. You say that I'm kinda difficult, but it's always someone else's fault. Got you wrapped around my finger, babe. You can count on me to misbehave. Prima donna girl, build a point up with celluloid. Take a picture, I'm with the boys. Get what I want, 'cause I asked for it. Not because I'm really that deserving of it. I'm living life like I'm in a play. In the limelight of I don't wanna admit that we're not gonna fit. No, I'm not the type that you like. Why don't we just fly? Don't wanna know, don't wanna know. Can't let you go, can't let you go. I just want it to be perfect, to believe it's all been worth the fight. Don't wanna know, don't wanna Are you ready? Are you ready? No, but are you ready? Don't wanna know, don't wanna know. Can't let you go, can't let you go. I just want it to be perfect, to believe it's all been worth the fight. Don't wanna know, don't wanna lies. Don't wanna know, don't wanna know. I can't let you go, can't let you go.
I was just always interested in fusing the idea of an alternative, almost rock show with something that was still pop and still had a theatrical element to it. Because I don't think it's done very often. I think usually when you get indie or alternative artists, they tend to just stick to music. Whereas for me, I also want the aesthetic to be spellbinding and for people to feel truly entertained.
come and go from from winter sun to summer snow. This ain't my first time at the rodeo. Nature ain't a fruit machine. She's gotta keep her credits clean. Good things come to those who wait, but I ain't in a patient phase. It's summertime and I hang on a vine. They're gonna make me the sweet red wine, hanging around like a fruit on a tree, waiting to be picked. Come on, cut me free. Come on, fill your cup up, looking for some good luck, good luck, good luck to you. Hanging like a fruit, ready to be juice. Living la dolce vita, life could end in much sweeter. Don't you give me the reason that it's not the right season. People love you alone. I'll give you all I got. Yeah, you know that it's true. I've been saving all my summers for you. I've been saving all my summers for you. Like baby, I am plump and ripe. I'm bigger than shepherd's delight. Sweet like honeysuckle late at night. Leave it too long, I'll go rot like an apple you forgot. Birds and worms will come for me. The cycle of life is. I'm your cauliflower, I'm your bloody rose. Rip my petals off and make my heart explode. I'm your deadly knife. that lives forever, and so does war. It's survival of the fittest, rich against the poor. At the end of the day, it's a human trait, hidden deep down inside of our DNA. One man can build a bomb, another run a race to save somebody's life and have it blow up in his face. I'm not the only one who finds it hard to understand. I'm not afraid of God, I am afraid of man. Is it running in our blood? Is it running in our veins? Is it running in our genes? Is it in our DNA? Humans are gonna behave as we think we always should. Yeah, we can be bad as we can be good. Underneath it all, we're just savages hidden behind shirts, ties and marriages. How can we expect anything at all? We're just animals still learning how to walk. We live, we die, we steal, we kill, we lie, just like savages, but with far less grace. We laugh, we cry, like babies in the night, forever running wild in the human race. Another day, another tale of rape, another ticking bomb to bury deep and detonate. I'm not the only one who finds it hard to understand. I'm not afraid of God, I am afraid of man. You can see it on the news, you can watch it on TV, you can read it on your phone, you can say it's troubling. Humans are gonna behave as we think we always should. Yeah, we can be bad as we can be good. Underneath it all, we're just savages hidden behind shirts, ties and marriages. How can we expect anything at all? We're just animals still learning how to walk. Underneath it all, we're just savages hidden behind shirts, ties and marriages. Truth is in us all, cradle to the grave. We're just animals still learning to behave. All the hate coming out from a generation who got everything and nothing, got it by temptation to abuse, shoot a gun and run. Or has something deep inside of us come undone? Is it a human trait? Is it learned behavior? Are you killing for yourself or killing for your savior? Underneath it all, we're just savages hidden behind shirts, ties and marriages. How can we expect anything at all? We're just animals still learning how to walk. Underneath it all, we're just savages hidden behind shirts, ties and marriages. Truth is in us all, cradle to the grave. We're just animals still learning to Thank you very much. Couldn't relax, couldn't sit back and let the sun light in my lap. I sang a hymn to bring me peace, and then it came. Oh, melody, it felt so sweet, it felt so strong, it made me feel like I belonged, and all darkness inside me melted away like I was free. I found what I've been looking for in myself. Found a life worth living for someone else. Never thought that I could be happy, happy. Don't go out much at all. I'd never been the type to go. I realize to be happy, maybe I need a little company. So now you know it all, that I was desperately alone. I hadn't found the one for me, but I believed in divinity. I found what I've been looking for in myself. Found a life worth living for someone else. Never thought that I could be, I would be happy, happy. I believe in possibility. I believe someone's watching over me. And finally, I have found a way to be happy, happy. From the concrete to the coast, I was looking for a Holy Ghost, like the land joining the sea. Happiness, it followed me. I believe in possibility. I believe someone's watching over me. Finally, I have found a way to be happy, happy, happy. We've broken up and now I regret it. I said goodbye when I shouldn't have said it. I even cried, but I never meant it. And I don't know why, but I can't forget it. Forget it. Give me love, give me dreams, give me a good self-esteem. Give me good and pure, what you waiting for? Give me everything, all your heart can bring. Something good and true. I don't wanna feel blue anymore. I don't wanna feel blue anymore. selfish, I know it's true. Give me love, give me dreams, give me a good self-esteem. Give me good and pure. Give me everything, all your heart can bring. Something good and true. I don't wanna feel blue anymore. I don't wanna feel blue anymore. Give me one more night, one last goodbye. Let's do it one last night. Let's do it one last time. One more time. I'm sick of looking after you. I need a man to hold on to. I'm bored of everything we do, but I just keep coming back to you. I'm sick of looking after you. I need a man to hold on to. I'm bored of everything we do, but I just keep coming back to you for one more night, one last goodbye. Let's do it one last time. Let's do it one last time. One more time. Give me love, give me dreams, give me a good self-esteem. Give me good and pure. What you waiting for? Give me everything, all your heart can bring. Something good and true. I don't wanna feel blue anymore. I don't wanna feel blue anymore. Give me anything but blue, royal blue. I just wanna know who I'm looking for. Give me anything but blue, royal blue. I just wanna know who I'm looking for. Thank you very much. New York, New York. Thank you so much for coming tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. Artist Den, thank you so much. Hall of Science, good night. Pin me down, yeah, you can pin me down. You ain't got me sussed, yeah, you're not even close. And baby, it's the one thing that I hate the most. All these contradictions pouring out of me. I'm just another girl in the 21st century.